Stop! Did you know that some daily habits might be ruining your nails without you even realizing it? In this video, you'll discover the best secrets to achieving perfect, strong, and healthy nails. Stay tuned. This isn't what you've heard before. Today, you'll learn how to avoid the most common nail care mistakes, which essential nutrients you need to strengthen your nails, and the ultimate trick to prevent long-term damage. Ready? Let's dive in. But wait, did you know that simply cutting your nails the wrong way could lead to painful problems like ingrown nails? Stay tuned because I'll show you how to prevent it easily and effectively. One of the most common issues is onychocryptosis, or ingrown nails. This happens when nails are cut in a rounded shape. Always cut them straight across and leave a small margin of length to prevent the edges from digging into your skin. Also, avoid cutting your cuticles. They act as a natural barrier against infections. If you need to push them back, do so gently after applying a special oil. If your nails break easily, they're likely dehydrated. Use specific moisturizing creams and apply a nail strengthener. Also, don't forget to wear gloves when washing dishes or handling chemicals. Nutrition is key to strong nails. Make sure to include these nutrients in your daily diet. Biotin, found in eggs, almonds, and spinach. It helps strengthen your nails. Iron, present in red meat, lentils, and leafy greens. It combats brittleness. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon. These nourish your nails from within. And what about collagen? While it's a good supplement, it's not a miracle. It's distributed throughout your body, not just your nails, so it's best to maintain a balanced diet. And what about colorful nail polishes? If you love painting your nails, here's a warning. Some intense colors can stain your nails and leave them yellow. But don't worry, I'll share a trick later to avoid this. We're making progress. We've already covered the most common mistakes and how to fix them. But the best is yet to come. Now let's dive into professional techniques and simple tricks you can start using today to transform your nails. Don't miss this part! If you're a fan of vibrant nail polishes, always apply a layer of clear base coat first. This will protect your nails from yellow stains caused by strong pigments and give them a smoother finish. Cleaning products are silent enemies of your nails. Always wear gloves when washing dishes or cleaning. If your nails feel dry after a long day, hydrate them with a special oil before bed. To prevent fungal infections, avoid walking barefoot in damp places like gyms or pools. Also, make sure your manicure tools are always properly sanitized. If you tend to bite or pick at your nails due to anxiety, consider seeking professional help. This might include cognitive behavioral therapy or using bitter-tasting nail polishes to discourage the habit. Did you know the type of shoes you wear might be damaging your nails? It's more common than you think. Stick around because I'll show you how to detect if your shoes are causing undue pressure and what to do about it. If you frequently deal with ingrown nails, it's best to see an orthopedic specialist or podiatrist. They can evaluate whether you need orthotic insoles to correct gait issues that might worsen the condition. Always choose services provided by trained professionals. This includes regular checkups to ensure tools are sterilized and products used are safe for your skin and nails. Do you have a common nail problem or a tip you'd like to share? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Now you know how to avoid the most common mistakes and care for your nails like a pro, but the final secrets are still to come. Don't miss it. Remember, essential nail care is key. From choosing a good sunscreen for your hands to making sure you trim your nails correctly to avoid discomfort like ingrown nails. It's also important to visit a professional for treatments, since infections can be quite common if we don't take proper precautions. Nutrition plays a vital role. While supplements can be helpful, there's nothing like a balanced diet to naturally strengthen our nails, hair, and skin. And of course, don't forget the importance of mental health. If you're dealing with anxiety or the bad habit of nail biting, consider seeking professional help. What do you think of these tips? Have you noticed something you could improve? Leave me a comment, and if you're already applying them, how have they worked for you? Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, your health and well-being are the most important. If you want more tips on how to care for your hands, nails, and your whole body, stay here on the channel. See you in the next video, and take care of those nails.